What's going on, everyone? Today I have an unboxing of the brand new PlayStation 3 Super Slim, and this is the 250 gigabyte model with the bundle packet Uncharted 3. So let's go ahead and begin this unboxing. So it looks like you get a box inside of the box. So here is the PlayStation 3 box itself. And in the inside we get the DualShock controller. We also have the cables, the controller charger, and of course the power plug. And let's see, we also have the game Uncharted 3, some guides, instructions, and let's go ahead and see the PlayStation 3 itself. And inside we also have a little dust thing right here, full game or something. I don't know much about that, but that's all in the box. And right here is the PlayStation 3. Okay, let's take that off and let's see what we have. This thing looks really small, feels really light too. Wow, look at that thing, really shiny. This is the back of it, and this is the top part of it. Feels really smooth, looks pretty nice, kind of lightweight as well. And here's the front of it, and here's the bottom part of it, and of course the sides, which is nothing. And we also have a new way of putting in the game actually. Let me just try to get this tape off. And basically what you do is just slide it and you can place the game right there. You don't need any electricity, and this thing is, really fun to use. So there it is, guys. That is my unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And leave a comment, questions or anything like that. I'll be glad to answer them. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.